Hi, this is Ben Heinrich with my associate Zach Brookshire behind the camera.
Hello, everybody.
We're here at our new listing on Casanova, 2 southwest of 12th Street. It's an absolutely beautiful location in Carmel-By-The-Sea. Short walk to the beach, short walk to town. But we wanted to show you this home for several reasons. The finishings are beautiful. The floor plan is great. Single level living. But what you can't see in this house is even more fascinating. So please come in. This home was designed by noted architect Claudio Ortiz, built by Bell and McBride, well known in the Carmel area. Beautiful red oak floors, gorgeous stone to ceiling fireplace. Quartzite tops in the kitchen. German cabinetry that is just some of the nicest I have ever seen. So the finishes are wonderful. Open ceiling, out to a patio that just is as sunny as it can be. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Again, all on one level, which is very rare for Carmel. But now let's talk about the real fun, interesting things about this house. Let's start here in the kitchen. This is a Miele Induction Cooktop. This is the future of cooking. Thomas Keller at the French Laundry, one of the world's best chefs, if not the best, has gone over to induction cooking. It keeps a cool surface, never gets hot. It's very, very efficient as compared to gas. It doesn't have an open flame, and you're not sitting here inadvertently breathing any carbon monoxide while you cook. There's a great Wolf stove and a Bosch microwave convection combination. Here's one of the very, very cool things in the house. Look at this lighting underneath. This is called emotion control. And if you can get an idea of what I'm doing here, I'm changing the mood of the lighting. It's very warm. Now it's going down to a very soft blue cast. So depending on how you feel, you can set your lighting that way. And I haven't seen this in many Carmel-By-The-Sea kitchens. Here, right above the counters, you have these windows where you can have ventilation coming into the kitchen. Okay, let's go this direction. The flooring is radiant heat, and we have 5 zones, 1 in each of the 3 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. We also, if we go out to the patio area, we have what is known as a passive solar system here, where sun comes in to the room, warms it up. The sun also in the afternoon hits these stones, and in the evening radiates heat back up to you while you're out here enjoying your patio. But look on top of the slate roof. There are approximately 20 solar panels that take care of all of the electrical needs of the home. Copper gutters, but these aren't a regular gutter system, because all the water that hits this roof down the pipes into a cistern, which is underneath the house, 5,000 gallons, which can take care of much of your watering needs when we don't have our rains here in this Mediterranean climate on the coast. I want to show you something really cool now. I don't very often show people underneath the house, but I'm going to do it this time. Notice how many vents we have. Okay, watch your head. Here we are in the basement of this new home. And over here is what is known as a geothermal heat pump. All of the heating in this house is radiant, but the heat is being extracted by this geothermal heat pump from pipes that go deep into the earth. The heat then comes up, is stored in this tank, goes into the radiant system. There's also a very, very small tank here that takes care of the hot water needs in the house with certainly an instant pump for instant hot water. But look back here. The lighting is not very good, but this is a 5,000-gallon cistern, and here is the pump that goes to all of your rainbird irrigation system. So the solar, the geothermal, the cistern, this is one of the most ecologically friendly homes, and for all practical purposes, this is a utility-free home, no bills. That is very, very cool. The landscaping is going to come in so nicely. We have bougainvillea all the way down this privacy wall. We have a Meyer lemon, and we have blueberries and strawberries. Beautiful Jerusalem stone here in this bathroom. 2 bedrooms with high ceilings. This fits a queen bed nicely. Laundry here on this level, very close to the bedrooms, which is always nice. And then a 3rd bedroom, again with high ceilings. The closet in this case has been turned into shelving for an office. You could always go back for a closet. All right, we're in the master, which opens out to the patio. And notice here is one of our 5 zones for the radiant heating. High ceilings again. A nice spacious walk-in closet with built-in cabinetry. And these are just fabulous. You have your own shave where you can put it different places. Electrical. Lots of room. And then a very big shower. So it's so interesting to me to have a home that, first of all, is single level. Most of the 1,600 square foot new homes in Carmel, you have to have a couple levels to get them on the lot. This one worked out. I also love the fact that this is an oversized patio, which is very rare for Carmel. But the most intriguing aspects to this home are the fact that you have no utility bills. You are essentially off the grid, and you can sleep at night knowing that you are living in the future. All of the major builders know that this is the future. You're going to have to build this way, number one, in order to meet the codes, because in the state of California, The new titles are requiring net zero energy for new homes built 2020. The only way you can do it is solar energy. So it's very proud, Zach and I, to represent this home because we're able to not only bring a wonderful family in here, but we're able to talk about some environmental issues that are so important, and this house sets a wonderful example. So thank you very much. Hope we could show you this house someday because you could learn a lot about how homes in the future are going to live and feel. And it kind of wraps around you and you feel good because it's a living, breathing house for all the right reasons. Thanks a lot.